Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review the Fomi app. Fomi app is an entertainment platform that combines binge watching with a simple way to earn rewards. The app is packed with a variety of content for all tastes: romances, comedies, thrillers, fantasy shows, and even short series. It constantly updates with fresh episodes and trending shows, so you never run out of things to watch. This ensures that whether you want something light and fun or thrilling and suspenseful, there is always something new to enjoy. One of the most appealing features of Fomi is its reward system. While watching your favorite shows, you earn points or credits that can later be redeemed for cash, gift cards, or other prizes. You don't need to complete complicated tasks. Just watching content earns you rewards. Make the experience effortless and enjoyable. This makes it a great option for people who want to make their leisure time more productive. The app is also designed for a smooth viewing experience. Navigation is simple, with clearly categorized genres, trending lists, and recommended shows based on your viewing habits. Playback is optimized to reduce buffering, and the interface allows you to jump between episodes or shows with ease. Fomi also encourages exploration. You can discover new shows that match your interest, join challenges for bonus rewards, or even track your progress within the app. Additionally, it supports multiple devices, so you can watch on your phone, tablet, or even a compatible TV, making it convenient for home or on-the-go viewing. Overall, Fomi is more than just a streaming app. It turns your screen time into a way to earn rewards while keeping you entertained with a variety of fresh, trending content. For anyone looking to combine fun, convenience, and extra earnings, Fomi offers a balanced and engaging experience that is worth checking out. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.